Boy, oh boy, that hurt. So everything just got beat up. Here we go on the daily. I say at least another 30 points down tomorrow. If not that 30, then I'm looking at another 50 points down tomorrow on the S&P. Most frightening, ladies and germs. That's quite a sell-off. We're still in an uptrend. The low, if we break this low right here, where the hell is there it is. If we break that 43.73 tomorrow, that puts a lower low in, and then if we make a lower high, then that's the beginning of a downtrend, which just can be a reversal on the market. So that was a lot of buying into the close. I don't see any reason why it would turn around tomorrow. I see nothing favoring that reversal. As far as a retracement from here, I think from here, yep, we are just bouncing off the 33%. It's easy to tag that 38%. Quite an aggressive move. So anyway, watch your downsides tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. That's the S&P. The composite looks relatively the same, and you could argue that the composite made a new low. So this could be entering a downtrend. Little corrections are okay, but we've always remained in an uptrend. I mean, this could also be a correction and we remain in an uptrend, but that was a pretty aggressive bar. We're going to have to see something substantial. I mean, we basically closed on the lows. Interest rates are rising, 5-year interest rates. 10-year treasuries actually jumped up also. 30 years are still trading off. Taking a quick look at Bitcoin for you. On the daily, it's still in an uptrend, but it did put in a little divergence here. So breaking, come on, give it to me. Breaking 43.815.54. It should trade down. You can look, I mean, the first resistance is going to be around 43.30, and then the next resistance will be around 39.820. So you can keep your eye on that. Look for a setup to get involved in that. And let's have a look at AMC, because somebody I'm working with is trading that. Oh, that baby's just negative. Oh, this guy throwing away the money. All right, nothing you can really do with that. You just got to watch it. Nothing else really to look at. So let's look at AMC, and we'll let those apes go home early today. You just got to watch for a break of today's low tomorrow, and then it might start trading down. And the 60-minute is trending bearish, so a break of today's low tomorrow would definitely put you in a good short trade, in my opinion. I guess definitely is kind of strong, huh? But hey, that's it. So I'm a little sad. I'm going to go fix me up some dinner and chill out for the rest of the evening. And everybody just remember, stay cool when you're trading, no emotion, and good luck trading.